Hi guys, I came back with my new video on the topic number system or number classification of class 10th. So we will start with our new video, okay? If you want my acquaintance, then ask it about in the description box. Sorry, in the comment section, okay? Classification of numbers. Number is a very huge thing in this universe. As we know, zero is invented by zero, or zero is discovered by Indian scientist Aryabhat. So it's a very good advantage that Indians should be very good in the mathematics. So, but I will make you best in mathematics. Okay. So numbers, numbers generally are of two types: real number and imaginary number. Imaginary numbers, okay? So number is of two type: real number and imaginary number. What do you mean by real number? A set of rational and irrational number is called real number, okay? This, for example, the real number of two type: rational and irrational number, okay? What do you mean by rational number? Rational number, okay? A number in the form of p by q, where p and q belongs to co-prime, or they are co-prime. They are exactly natural number, but they are co-prime, okay? And q is not equal to 0, okay? What do you mean by rational number? A number in the form of p by q, where p and q are co-primes and q is not equal to 0. What do you mean by irrational number? A number which is neither a perfect cube or perfect square, like root 3, root 2, root 7, okay? Rational number types of rational number, okay? Rational number are of various types, like even, odd, prime, co-prime, prime triplet, co-prime, okay? So twin prime, composite numbers, and natural number. Whole number, okay? What do you mean by odd number? What is odd number? A number which is exactly divisible by 2 is called even number. Like example, for example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Okay, they are exactly divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2, we get 1. 4, when 4 is divided by 2, then it will gives the answer 2, 6, 3. Okay. Odd, a number which is not exactly divisible by 2, for example 3, for example 1, for example 5, for example 7, for example 9, etc. Okay, it is divided by 2 but it is not exactly divisible by 2. It will give decimal expression, okay? Decimal expansion it will show. Prime number, a number which have only two factors, namely 1 and itself. For example 3, for example 2, 3, 5, 6. It's not 7, it's 11, it's 15, not 13, it's 17, it's 19, it's 23, it's 20, 24 not 29, etc. Okay, so look at this, 2 is the a very important question. 2 is the only even prime number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 is the smallest prime number. Co-prime, what do you mean by co-prime? Two natural numbers are said to be co-prime if they have the common factor 1. For example, 2 and 3. They are natural number and they are prime number and they have the common factor 1. When we will, for example, 2, 3. 2 into 1, 3 into 1. So it is common in both. So it have the common factor 1. What do you mean by prime triplet? A set of 3 consecutive prime number differing by 2. In the whole series of numbers, there are only 3 consecutive prime numbers. So this is termed as prime triplet. Okay, this is termed as prime triplet. Twin prime. Prime numbers differing by 2. Prime numbers differing by 2. For example, 3, 5 differing by 2. 5 minus 3, 2. And 7 not. And many more. Composite number, a number which have more than 2 factors. For example, 21, it is divided by 3, 7, 21 itself by, okay. For example, 14, it is divided by 2, it is divided by 14, it is divided by 7. For example, 6, it is divided by 2, 3 and 6. So these all numbers belongs to composite number. Natural number, all the counting numbers started with 1. For example, 1, 2, 3, till infinity tak jayenge. Okay, whole number. A number, all the counting numbers started with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 to infinity. Okay, or we will say also that natural numbers with 0, including 0. Okay, so it is all about the classification of numbers, and I am sure that it will help you a lot, and also me, because I am also a student of class 10th. Okay, so during this period of lockdown, I will assure that I will cover the first chapters. So thank you, and subscribe my video and like it also and share it also. Okay, thanks.